Oh my god, no, it's going all the way down, bro. Oh my god, we just need a little bounce back to 360k to buy that brand new trap house, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, the buyers, I know you guys got it, man. Okay, fuck it, bro. I think I'm just gonna remove liquidity. Alright, what you do, go straight back to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. Come on, bro, hurry up. And then boom, we just made. I used this Phantom wallet to make over $682,000 in just a few weeks launching meme coins on Solana. Stay tuned, I'm about to show you exactly how. Now you guys are probably wondering, how did you do it? What did you do? I'm gonna be explaining everything down, explaining how I made my money and how you guys can too. So a little backstory, I used to trade these meme coins every single day after school, all day long. I would blow all of my money off, all these coins, hoping to make a successful trade, and 99.9% of the time I lost my money. I could even show you guys my Phantom wallet, it is at 0. I could even show screenshots of my Phantom wallet before I actually made it. It was completely dry. Now the strategy we're going to be implementing in this video is we're going to create a meme coin, then wait for buyers, and then just dump. That is the strategy. I just gave you all the strategy. Now, if we go over to Dex Screener and go on my watch list, for example, this Sigma coin used to be super big before for like a couple weeks, and then it completely rugged out. It hit a $130 million market cap, and the creators of these coins walked away with all of it. And into this video we're going to be showing you exactly that. So if we go over to tokenlabs.fun, this website will be your launch pad for your meme coins. You can create coins on this website, and it is the only website that actually works on YouTube. Now the thing that is also important about the strategy is that it's fully repeatable. You can keep going until you are a millionaire if you please, and let me tell you, when that money comes in, oh boy is it sweet. So keep watching. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now the reason why you guys are going to be wanting to create your coins on coinlabs.fun, first of all, it requires no coding, and your coins are instantly launched onto the Raydium deck. Now with the Raydium deck, it's basically the graduated category for all these meme coins. And once your coin is created on the Raydium DEX, you get way more eyeballs, way more attention, and then way more buys. Whereas if you went to Pump.Fun to create your coin, you guys would have to wait for a bonding curve. And so what a bonding curve is when your coin hits about 90k, the liquidity pool goes straight to Raydium, and then you have to do that. But all of this is time consuming, and when you create your coin on Pump.Fun, your coin just gets dumped into an ocean of bullshit ass coins, and no one can truly see them. That's why you guys will want to create your coins on coinlabs.fun. Now if you guys go over to the copy trending coins tab, this is my favorite way to make instant money on coinlabs.fun. Now what this tab is the website going through thousands of coins, either on Bullex, in the new creations, about to graduate, and graduated tabs, and finding coins that are proven to making you hella bread. Now there are 3 rules that I apply to make thousands in profit. Now the first rule is when you refresh the tab, you have to have a last bot on your coin in under 15 seconds, or else it is not hot enough. We want coins that are fast, that have hella buyers instantly. Now the second one is narrative. Choose a coin that has a good narrative and up to date. So if it's currently being discussed in the narrative niche, so for example on X, are we seeing what is on this tab, yes or no? And if the answer is yes, then go ahead and create that coin. Now the final rule is that your coin has to have a market cap over 30,000. Now this is probably the easiest one to respect, because all of these coins have over 30,000 in market cap. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyan from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now we're gonna create a coin on this one. I like it. A good market cap, a good last bought, everything is good. So we're gonna proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, all we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet. So we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us, I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit, here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all of that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.